Today's video, gonna make this quick. I don't know what happened. I guess it got deleted. Heading to the shop right now. The car's still squeaking. So, you guys probably saw I was talking about getting a new hood latch. Here's a brand new hood latch right here. Came in enough time, thank goodness. Gonna swap that out. Here's a custom titanium bleeder valves that go onto the bleeder valves of the 4-piston, 2-piston kit or stock or whatever. I got all 8 of them now. Here are the dust covers that go over this to cover that from rusting. And then here you guys go, here are the new rear brakes. The new rear calipers from Power Stop. Brand new rear calipers. And I think at this point all that could be causing the squeak is the piston getting stuck somehow. So I bought brand new rear calipers. These are performance calipers from Summit Racing. We'll see how this goes. We're about to head to the shop, being quick, and then I get all this installed. Hopefully this kills the squeak. I also developed another squeak. Something else in the suspension is squeaking. So we got to address that as well and get that tidied up. So I'm going to take a shower, and then we're going to head to the shop. I had an intro filmed to know what happened to it. Got deleted. So again, here's the parts, custom, boot. These are all new wheel brakes. These are all power coded red. Then we'll have to bleed the system. Because I have to bleed the system, then go and throw those in. And you guys saw that my hood latch is squeaking. I did use WD-40. It's not squeaking, but fuck it. Let's replace it with a brand new one. We're going to head to the shop. Let's get it. Out to the shop together. See, man, I cook. Here's all the parts right there, guys. Today we fixed these. Jesus Christ. Today we fixed this squeaking shit. As well as putting those bleeder caps. It's going to be amazing. Those titanium bleeder caps, you guys that don't know. They go right here. Take the place of these. Up all of them. So, obviously get the bleeder brakes and take out this part. Take out this part anyways. Still install these new wheel brakes. And I got, like I said, another squeak that's going on somewhere up here. I don't know. I'll fix that as well. Let's head to the shop. I'm going to head to the shop. See if we can hear the squeaking. Not squeaking right now. But we're going to hear the squeaking every time it bounces. Like anytime of like violent vibration, you're going to hear it. Here it goes. Hope you picked that up. I don't know. I'm not driving, but see that? Hopefully that speaker's coming through on camera. I don't know, but it's way too much. I guess you can get on the car and shake the car and it'll squeak as well. It's the same squeak. So we got that squeak. That squeak along with the brakes squeaking. So hopefully I picked it up. If it didn't, oh well. We're fixing that as well as the brakes squeaking. Or the one real brake. And like I said, hopefully these brand new calipers, pistons, etc. Performance calipers will fix that. This guy ran over a stop sign. You see the fill pump. Holy shit.
Anything about that? This is a 2-piece subframe.
That's where you hit the stop sign. There's a deer on top of the roof. Holy shit. More damage. Bench. This is gonna be totaled. And you look right there too. Oh. You guys already saw that. Took out a chunk of the sun. Maybe like that. Yikes. Old one. Everybody does see one hand. We put on the new one right now. Putting the brakes down. About to start relaxing this time. About to start doing the stuff. I was busy today, so I'm getting the clips I can. Got taking it apart now. We're going to take out the cap off. See it's draining the fluid, so I'm going to step up this back caliper to the new stuff. And again, just working his way around and do this and bounce that tire. And apparently, man, some type of leak going on in the front. It's kind of juicy underneath it. Maybe that's what's causing this leak. I don't know. We need to take lubrication with the but we'll see. We're working on it. It was fun. I don't see the T-tone, but hopefully it's saved. It looks good. Let's see. So I took care of his left side. He got the left side done. Over here. The new. Done. Hopefully this solves the problem. Please. No more squeaking. We still gotta figure out the have to get this down and look at the squeak, where the squeak is in the front, but one side buttoned up, but up the other side, then we'll do the, oh, there's a bleeder squeeze right there. Oh, okay. I'll do a bleeder squeeze next. Okay. I got some type of leak. I may have to come back with a leak in the front, but let's get the main stuff done first. Other side is done. Oh my god. Wipe this off, but there's the other side. And this. I hope everything might gotta be drained out of fluid out of it. I'll wipe that down, but now he's working on the bleeder screws now. Put that bleeder screws in there. Put it in there. Then we still gotta replace the bolt. The bolts that hold this back here too. In there. Getting my old ones over there. Everything's going in the shop. Like those rims. Working on my Porsche. Just waiting to bleed my brakes. So while I wait to bleed my brakes, I like those rims, I'm not gonna lie. Craig's gonna work on this one. Charge. Airbag. I like that. Let's put the caps on. Unfortunately, the titanium bleeder screws do not fit or work. I put an overlay picture up here. The way they're cut, mine's a flat bottom and the things are round. He's put them on and we're gonna move on. He's getting everything cleaned up. Alright, the rim is balanced. I took one weight. I took his one down a little bit. He's about to replace the two bolts right here. To actual wood bolts. Everything's bled, good to go. As soon as we finish that, then it's gonna be just trying to find this squeak in the front. That'll be what's left. See what's squeaking. But replace these two bolts. Like I told you guys about the bleeders, we got the caps on. This is balanced. We're making progress. Almost done. Still gotta go to work too, Jesus. And here's the rears, all done. Everything's all done, all bled. They're good to go. Please no squeaking. Keep saying that, but just can't stand squeaks. Alright, so he's going right now to get things when you put the actual wood bolts on the back of the front caliper. That's not done. Still got obviously an oil leak somewhere, and we still got a lot of squeak. Let's see what they can find. I'm waiting to get, I gotta test the squeak. This thing is leaking oil, but it's like very faint, so I'll have to possibly come back on that one and see. Not anywhere up top. There's somewhere on the back. So now when everything else is done, then it's replaced obviously. brand new one. We're gonna try to see if we can't find the squeak, and I'll just come back for the oil. Take it off. That's gonna be a bitch to get to. Alright. We're all done. So let's see if that fixes squeaking over there. We're gonna see if we can find what's squeaking in the front. But so far so good. Cool with it. We'll find it. But almost done, like I said. Not much to show. Pretty much replaced it, but you saw last video, it's the same thing. We just replaced the caliper. There we go. Finally, all right. Thinking the other side's got a nice little build. Not that bad. Looks like might be an issue with the front coilovers. The spring on it squeaking. So either contact Raceland to see about them rebuilding the coilovers. Thank goodness I do have an set of Raceland coilovers. I can with my friend, I can always use his and send mine off to get rebuilt or repaired. I don't know about the real squeaking. I haven't driven the car yet. There's a twin turbo, turbocharged GT350. A bunch of nice cars here, and next to Acura. So we're gonna head out for now. I know I didn't show you guys that much. The shop was really busy. I'll bring the car back on Tuesday. They're gonna fix that little small oil leak that it has, for sure, and then swap out the coilovers in my other set of brand new coilovers. So they got to get that stuff done. So again, not much going on in this video. I just wanted to show you that. I don't know if the rear is fixed from squeaking. I'm about to find out. I'm about to go drive it. We'll see. I gotta get some food. I gotta head to the house. But I actually have to head to work. Got a lot of nice cars here too today. Okay, blue. But let's test it out. Let's go drive and let's see if we hear a squeak from the rear. We're done with the install. So today we installed new rear brakes. Happy to report the car is not squeaking at all. The only squeak is coming from the front coilovers, which are going to be replaced in 2 days. Here's the old calipers that I've painted. I think it had to do something with this piston. It had to be. It's still squeaking even after the rotor change. Now that we've changed up the wheel brakes, as you can see, we got brand new power stop wheel brakes from Civic. That they power coated. They look amazing and shiny. I didn't change. I kept the same pads and rotor, obviously, because it is brand new. No squeaking. It's silent. So far, I think we finally fixed it. I think the issue had something to do with the calipers. That ended up destroying that particular rotor. I probably could have kept the 3 rotors, stop tech rotors, just replaced that one in the corner and kept rocking it. But I'm the type of willing to try what it takes to get the problem solved. So either way, I like these new bladed rotors. I'll go with a different style next time around. That's how it is. You always want to change it up. If you got to replace it, might as well change it up. So again, and then we also replaced the 2 bolts. We replaced the 2 bolts that hold this caliper on both sides. The Woodward's bolts. I did have Woodward's bolts, but first time I had it done, wasn't tightened correctly, so the bolt popped out and had generic bolts in there. So anywho, that's all fixed now, as well as we replaced the handle right here. No squeaking. We replaced the hood latch handle. So now I actually did get a part in just now, so I'm gonna go ahead and install it on camera. So making a whole video about it and all that. I've had the part before. Let me put this up. There we go. I've had the part before, and as you can see, that's always the engine bay right here. My sleeper washer cap fell off again. So we had another one made. Took a while, but we had another one made. Thank you, JD Customs. Got a brand new one. And that's all of our titanium parts. I finally had the full overview of everything complete with the new titanium rod, as well as the other parts. So let's go ahead and swap that out real quick. I'll go ahead and do that on video, and we're going to close this out. We are back in action now. We are complete again with our titanium parts. Thanks to JDC. You guys want to get any type of titanium bits like that, JDC is one who sells them. It's to make for other cars, but most cars use the same thread pitch and etc. So there you guys go. Got to complete the one to make a video on that. So now we step back and we get the whole overview of the engine. Let's take this off. You guys know how I feel about stickers. I add to sticker collection. I'm not big in the stickers at all. But here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and Yeah, I needed that. I needed that for sure. We needed that. Okay, so we got the whole overview of the engine. Now we're looking complete. We're looking baller. Back to the way it should be. Now, I am going to work on one minor part. Might make a video on it. That stupid 455 code, 456 code. I've changed everything except for the little valve right here. RPCV valve solenoid. So I'm about to go buy one actually right now. And I'll swap that out, and that should hopefully kill that code, because that code is very, very annoying. But we'll say that for another video. Point is, everything's back to normal, everything's back to good. Now with the titanium rod, I finally get the full scope of the engine bay. Man, this is amazing. The only thing that we need to work on doing, which is not this stop right the next year, is right here. Webinar does make a neochrome version of that. I was a little too late on buying that piece. That's right, gunmetal. I will buy that piece as soon as it's available via them. Probably next year, we'll see. But yeah, we got it done, guys. Hood latch replaced. There's a caliper. I'm actually about to take those calipers to the UPS store. They gave you a rebate. I said these one on the back, so obviously they're gonna take apart, rebuild them, whatever they do with them, and they're gonna give me $90 back. So it's a great deal, man. Brand new calipers, basically. Brand new performance calipers for like $200. You can't beat it. And the powder coated, or you can get the regular version, not powder coated. Obviously, a real performance car. We're gonna go all performance. So everything's done. You guys have any questions about any parts? We do have something big coming. You guys already know what it is if you watch the videos. I've already ordered it. It's already shipped. We are gonna, as you guys saw, I think I put pictures up. We do have a little small leak on the back of the blocking plate on the back of the block. They're gonna take care of that. Coming up here in 2 days, we'll get that taken care of, as well as the stupid coilover squeaking. Thank goodness, LeBrandon has a set. He's gonna let me have that set, so we'll swap those out as well on Tuesday. No more squeaking. Be back to zero. It's really only still have a couple other parts I can't add until we get an inspection, but as soon as we clear this code, get this code solved, we can get inspected, and we can get one part that's been sitting at the DMV for a while. So we'll work on that. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Please click like and subscribe. Like I said, squeaking stopped. Anybody that's having squeaking issues on their Civic, it could be the calipers. Again, you gotta keep in mind the age of the car, man. I've replaced so many wearable parts. This, the valves, the thermostat, the little stuff you don't think about. You upgrade all this major stuff, but it's the small stuff that eventually goes out on you. So keep that in mind, guys. Parts do wear out, so sometimes you just need to replace all the small stuff so you don't run into little baby issues. So again, guys, click like, subscribe. I'm out. See you guys next video. Have a major part. It's already on the truck all the way down here. That part just came in, so I was like, I'm not gonna make a video about that. We're gonna throw that down. About to go buy this valve right here, so we can replace this valve. Hopefully that will finally solve a 455, 456 check fill cap cell that does come periodically. And then we can go get the car inspected and move on to other things. See you guys next video. I'm out. Peace. I forgot to add one more part. I just finished cleaning the car using the wax detailer right here and using the color stuff. And you see how it came out good. Again, no water, just that stuff. Get the wrap to shine and that to clean the rims. I forgot to add one part. Didn't want to forget the dust covers right there. Cover the calipers. Got that added as well. So again, guys, bonus clip. So I cleaned up. Again, no water, just using that. Nice and shiny, as it should be. See you guys later.